What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released on Netflix The White Tiger. The story is amazing and it is about the ordinary person or ordinary citizen who lives in a very poor and rural environment. So, White Tiger is a depiction of something that comes very rare, and it is a story of a guy who was born in a rural area, but he has a wisdom, wit, and has courage to change things or the way he lives. So he is surrounded by the slaves of the mentality, the chicken, the people, those who really can live the way their parents lived. So they just followed the same kind of life that their parents lived, but he wanted to change the scenario and he wanted to be something different. But unfortunately, life is something when you are busy planning other things, and what happens to you is the life. Instead of going for higher studies or scholarship, he was bound to be there in that system. So he make up his mind that his entire life has gone, and he see Sanjay Manjrekar, who is playing a role of a person who holds the monopolistic power in that village and grabs funds and money from all those people over there, they are under debt to him. And he talks to the grandmother, and especially, in the system the poor people live also, they let, I call it like a leg pulling, that they don't let others to develop, but instead they wanted them to rot in that environment. So somehow he manages to ask the grandmother to let him go to the village, to the city, and learn driving. So he had a constructive plan what to do. So he reaches there and found out that the landlord, or I don't know, it's like a loan shark or something, like master to them. His son came back from America, has a wife, and he said that he wanted to be their driver. And somehow he grabs the job there because he has a good lingual skills, and he founds that in the battle of pursuing his career, or just like he is giving the depiction of our human life, that it's like a law of the jungle that we wanted to overcome others. So it's, no matter it is a story of entrepreneurship, but it's not about that also. You have to play zig and zag, and you know how to swim with the crocodiles. That's what he learned when he was a child. So, and imagine that sometimes even a minor or tiny detail of yours becomes your weakness in front of others. That's how he grabs the senior position of being the driver. There were two drivers. The first one, the old one, so he kicked him out with his tactics, and you will find out what the reason was, and he used that. But later he found out that he is also into that quagmire, and he has to face the music. So now what happens, suddenly they were drunk one night, and they hit the baby with their car. And since he has to obey his master, he signed on a stamp paper that he committed this crime without bargaining anything. So that was his bigger mistake, and that led him to uh, put himself into a different situation, that he is always thinking that why he didn't bargain. Because sometimes when you are poor and you are very loyal to your master, you forget who you are and what you really need to do. Somehow they go through all this situation because they have political influence and all this. But he said that at what cost, at what stake. And then she, Priyanka Chopra, they are always insisting him to be to develop yourself and to do something. And he came back to serve his country, to go to the Bangalore like Silicon City. It is a sin to be a poor person in a free democracy. It was very hard for him to come out of that circle to think about something different, because after months of hard work, what he got was only 36, and he was left forsaken on the roads, because they don't need him now, because he knows their family secret. So he come up with the plan. Since his family belongs to a political uh, line, so they have to bribe so many peoples in this world. So he make up a plan to bribe the money that they gave, to steal that money. So since he is with his that mind set up, and he comes up with the plan to bring him out of that circle. So he planned to steal the money from his boss and to be entrepreneur and see what happens. So he planned to steal money from him and start up his own business. And this is all the story is all about it. And I hope you will really enjoy it. And I kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And I hope you will like it. Bye bye.